Okay. So, you saw what I got from Christian Louboutin. You saw what I got from Talbots. This is from Chico's. And, again, I went in, I saw so many pretty things. It's just overwhelming. It's like going in any store that's got so much merchandise. And I know, like, in like California and Europe, they have like 10 pieces. And I'm thinking, I get that. It either works for you, it doesn't, and it's not overwhelming. This is off season, but I feel like you could wear a Henley or something under this. This is very casual. This is part of their Zenergy line. And it's made of a, almost feels like that parachute material. What is it made of? It is made of, does it even say? It's Canela Tan. It's a utility detail dress, and it was $119 marked to $89.99, marked down another 40% off of that. And I loved it. It is just a tan, see this kind of mesh? That's all the Zenergy stuff is like that. It's got the little sleeve, is 3/4 sleeve that you can even pull up more. It just has a nice flow. It has pockets, like U pockets, not the side pockets, so you can drop things down in it. It will need a half slip, I can tell you that right now, but it's just, it's got detailing on the back that is, it's gathered with elastic so that it kind of gives you a little bit of shape, not too much. You can, if you want to, throw on a belt with this or throw on a bunch of jewelry. It is gold trimmed, so you could do gold and silver or just gold, or I was thinking about using my wood necklace with this, and just some cute tan sandals. So by buying off season, I got this for almost half off. So it was like right at 50 bucks. And I feel like this is going to be great. I feel like it's going to wash well. I'm very, very happy with that purchase. And then I got my usual, you can't really tell this. This is just their Travelers line. Is that what it's called? Travelers? Travelers No Tummy Pants. And these were $69, not marked on sale. So that's a lot. But can I tell you something about Chico's pants? They've got, what's it made of? Why is none of the stuff saying, okay, here it is. 95% acetate, 5% spandex. So because of that, I mean, literally in the summer, it breathes so much that they don't feel hot. The way that it hangs is like you could make this into a dress pant with a glitzy top. Or you could put this with a Henley sweatshirt and it could be just mull around. I mean, it can be every day with a jacket. Or it could be something that you have for an event. So, I mean, no kidding. There's the way that it drapes like jersey. So it can look very expensive depending on what top you put with it. And what I like to do is buy the jacket. And that way, whatever top I put underneath, I can either use like a tunic top over it or build some layers on it with the belt. Or I can put some simple shirt and use the jacket. And one of the things you can do at Christmas time is put like a sequin gold tank top on and this jacket. And this is a very wide rimmed collar all the way down. And it's got a, where it's taken in at the waist, because it's all black material and it's jersey, I can barely show it to you. I can't really show you the shape of it. But it is got a little bit of tailoring. Do you see this line right here all the way around the waist? So that it doesn't just hang so free flow that it looks sloppy. It looks somewhat tailored. It's travel material, so it does not wrinkle. It breathes. If you feel hot or it's hot outside, great. If it's cold, you will feel it through these pants. So they're not great for winter. They're great for all other seasons. They're great for spring, summer, and fall. But winter, you're going to feel that cold air come through those pants because they really breathe. But again, if you're traveling, there is no wrinkling at all. None. And that's nice. And not only that, like I said, you could wear the jacket and travel with it with like a plain white shirt and like these earrings or wooden jewelry, and have a real casual look, and put on something sparkly earrings and a sequiny top at night, and it looks dressy. same exact outfit, or just don't do the jacket or something. So that is kind of a go-to for me. So even though it costs a little more, even though it's $50, $60, $70 for each piece, it's one of those that will carry on for a couple of years if you take care of it well. And you'll wear it nonstop. Like, I wear them every single week. Of course, I have 15 pairs of black pants. I think black pants is almost all of what I wear. And on weekends, jeans. But yeah, just because you can put any color top of it and then bring out, you know, one of your favorite purses, or bring out some of your more glam jewelry, or casual jewelry, boho jewelry, whatever, that's what ends up making the piece. And you can use mixed patterns, because it's just black. And you can do a block white, like I've got like this white top on, and you've got the black. And then you could put any kind of scarf pattern with it, any kind of purse coloring with it, anything from bright red or yellow and blue to just a sleek black, or the purse that I'm probably going to send back would be fine. Except that purse to me is so specific to an occasion. I just need to return it. I hope I kept return instructions. If not, you'll be seeing me use that purse. But anyway, so that's my haul. The only thing that I bought that I won't use right away is this Zenergy dress. And that's kind of their athletic clothing. It's not athletic wear, but it's like, it's got a, it's definitely casual. This is definitely casual. But you could put anything with this. Big, fun jewelry, like big hoops, or some of the colored, earthy jewelry tones that I have, or even some copper or some silver or rose gold, or just anything. Gold, because it has gold beads, gold buttons and trim, you know, on the sleeves. And dress it up, or you could just throw this on. I would probably throw this on in some gold hoops and some tan shoes and a little tan crossbody. And that would be great for a weekend, or a casual date night, or work. So I feel like I got some good purchases at Chico's. I always do. Talbots is more hit or miss in the sense that if you get the wrong thing, the wrong piece, you can look really frumpy. So you really need to look at what is that piece going to look like when you like if I'm wearing a jacket to the office, does it look too I don't know, preppy? When you're older, I think preppy does age you. But I found this beautiful chartreuse green jacket that I really loved. And they had it with a gray shirt and gray pants, which, believe it or not, like a lime green and gray looks really good together. Then they had dark green loafers and a little flat bag. And I thought, you know, I don't know. I just, it was boiled wool, and it's so hot. And here in the South, you end up taking those kind of jackets off. So then what really matters once you get inside is, what do you have on underneath that? Well, if it's a tank top because it's so hot, then that won't work. So I really had to think about it. I'm going to rethink about it, but I may go back and get that jacket. And there also was a houndstooth jacket in navy, burgundy, and geranium red. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to go back and get that either. They were really pretty outfits, but you know, it's just also hard to shop when you're not at a size that you're very proud of. I'm not crazy about being, you know, so many sizes too large, and I feel like everything doesn't look good on me right now. And I know I can make myself look presentable and all of that, but you know what I mean? Some of you don't know what I mean. Some of you are like, yeah, I know, I understand, I'm there too. I still know God loves me and I'm a valuable person, so don't worry that I'm like down or depressed about it. I just trying to do what I can to get that weight off, and getting some exercise every single day, trying to get it 20 minutes sustained. and then really getting my portion sizes down, because I don't eat that bad. It's that I eat too much, I think, is it, and the lack of exercise, because I have a desk job, which I'm sitting right now. So, but anyway, so I'm gonna let you guys go. The other thing that I was gonna do is get new glasses. I hate, see how when I shine back like that, how you've got a glare? That wasn't true on my old glasses. They had an anti-glare feature, and I just, you know, you do all this trouble on your eyes, your eye makeup, and then when you have your glasses on, you don't even see it. Or when you take your glasses off, look how this is just so red through here, you know, because and these are lightweight. These are like the featherweight. Look at that. What can I say? And I like the frame's okay, but I feel like I need a bigger, more updated frame anyway. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's what I have to say. And that's my haul. Y'all, so I'm kind of feeling bad about my purse, but that's a lot of money, so I'm going to feel good about returning it and get that money back, right? Yeah, I got plenty of purses. I really did want one, Christian Louboutin, and for an investment piece, but now that I see it, I feel like it's too small for the money. It's just not worth the financial strapping until it's paid for. You know what I mean? Because until you pay for it, it's over your head. And then once you have it, you get real careful and protective of it because it costs so much money. So you want to have something that, if it's every day, it's a little more durable and a little more, can go with more. And if it's specialty, that you have enough occasions to wear that specialty bag too, or either it's strictly for investment. And I'm not sure for that size, that's an investment piece. That's what I think's wrong. So anyway. So that's all, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed my hauls and my makeup to get-togethers. And hopefully tonight I got the rest of my boxes to pack up stuff and to move in my new filming area. So hopefully we'll be starting that new Bible study series. Love you guys.